Modern cattle farms raise cows in open, well-managed environments.
Veterinarians monitor health, hygiene, and nutrition to ensure quality beef.
When cows reach the right weight, they are transported safely to a certified processing plant.
At the plant, strict hygiene rules and inspections begin immediately.
Beef is processed with automated cutting tools, followed by expert hand trimming.
Specialists grade the meat and divide it into premium cuts, ensuring safety and taste.
Beef is vacuum-packed, labeled, and stored in cold rooms before transport.
And finally, fresh beef reaches your nearest super shop, safe, clean, and ready to cook.